Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart, 1 hour chart of gold in front of us. And we can see that gold is trading around 2940 to 294142 area. If you look at the overall trend of gold, then we can clearly see gold is bullish again. There is no sign, no indication about trend reversal, and we don't have any news also. And as we all know, that without any proper solid news, there cannot be a trend reversal. If market falls also, it will just be a technical correction and it will be temporary. Means after 1 day, after 2 days, market will be continuing the overall trend again if we see that there is no news. And right now, we have got nothing on gold. Maybe tomorrow, means Friday, okay, we may get to see some craziness and profit booking and we may see some correction. But at this moment, while recording the video during the Asian session, okay, I don't see any sign of trend reversal yet. So considering the present condition of the market, it will be better for us to look for buy positions only. Okay, and yesterday we discussed about many levels and market went for a breakout, but as I always tell you guys that buying a breakout is riskier because there is also always a possibility of false breakout. So buying a breakout is riskier. So later on, when the same level becomes a support, okay, it becomes a solid level, then it is better and safer to enter. And yesterday after 30 pips, I guess, okay, we saw the market came down again and market took support around 2919 area. Okay, buy limit was at 2916. Okay, this was my buy limit and I was not looking at the market at that time and I saw that market went up without hitting my buy limit, so I missed this opportunity. Okay, so today also if you see or if you find any similar opportunity, so what you need to do is, okay, you just need to consider this particular low of the market, which is 2878, and draw FIBO. Remember in the morning we drew FIBO till here, this particular point here, but later on, okay, the point changed and we saw market taking support of FIBO 38.2. For example, during the day, if you see that market goes up and market reverses from this particular high, then what you need to do is, okay, you just need to draw FIBO from here, means from 2878 area, and draw till here so that you can find the new levels for the market. Okay, for example, during the US session, obviously there's a chance that it will change. For the new levels, just extend the FIBO. And this is the daily chart of gold in front of us, and on the daily we can see the market is still standing at the top. Obviously, okay, buying at this particular price is high risk, but if market goes for a breakout, we can look for a buy, but be careful, do not go for a big lot size. Okay, and during the day, if we see market coming down, then we have today buying opportunity around 2912 area. Okay, why 2912 area? Because of FIBO 50% retracement level. So yesterday we saw market respecting FIBO 0.382, so we can expect the next FIBO level to work 2912 2910 area. If you see market is taking support, market is showing prices action from below, then only hit the buy button. But on the other hand, if you see that there's a high selling pressure, then you can avoid it. The second buying opportunity on the chart of gold is around 2904 area. 2904 is not only FIBO 0.618 but also previous resistance will be working as support. 2890 2888 that level is also very much valid, but this particular zone or box is far away, so let's not discuss about it. So at this moment, if gold comes for correction or retracement, we can look for support around these two areas of the market, the black lines 291210 and 290403 area, because market is still continuing the upside and there is no sign of trend reversal yet. During the US session, if the market sentiment changes, then obviously that's a different story, but at this moment things are still bullish. We can see gold holds firm at peak levels. Gold edges lower after FOMC. Okay, the decline was driven by profit taking and a strong US dollar, followed by the Federal Reserve's January meeting minutes. So overall, things have not changed much, though there was some profit booking after FOMC, but we can clearly see gold is continuing the upside. So try to be on the buy side only for safety purpose. Right now, you can see the market is going up again. So if market doesn't come for retracement, because on gold, okay, we have seen many times that gold is adamant, gold is stubborn, doesn't come for retracement. If you see a similar scenario, today we can look for a buy above 2950 area. If you want to go for risky buy, you can go for buy above 2948 also. But I think it will be better for us to wait till 2950. If you see gold breaks 2950 area with good amount of buying power, big green candle, then you can look for a buy above it. But the risk remains the same. Okay, buying and breakout, okay, will always have a false breakout possibility. So if you do not want to risk much, then what you can do is let the breakout come. Okay, wait for some time, because after 3 hours, 4 hours, market will be coming down again, and the same level will be the new support. Then you can enter around 294746 area. So it totally depends on your personal risk appetite. If you're comfortable taking the risk, so you can easily go for buy and breakout, or you can easily go with a small lot. For example, if you usually go for 0.1, 0.2, then you can go with 0.05 or 0.06. If you go with one standard lot, then you can enter with 0.1. Later on, when market will be taking support around the same area, around 294645, means the previous resistance will become the new support, you can buy again. Okay, probably you guys have observed one thing, that I always follow a particular pattern every day so that you guys can learn. And I receive so many loving comments. Okay, it really motivates me to upload videos. Okay, your love is the only motivation uh, that always drives me to upload videos in the morning. Because obviously from the views you can easily guess that I do not make any money from YouTube. Okay, because I'm not a YouTube millionaire, because for that you need millions and millions of views. Okay, the amount of views that I get, okay, in my videos, okay, is very less, not for YouTube payouts. But the main motivation is the love. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so I always try to follow a certain pattern so that you guys can learn. Okay, this is the real motive. So you guys have probably understood by now that right now also market is bullish. There is no news about trend reversal yet. So to be on the safer side, buying is still the best opportunity. The US session, we have some news coming up, but not a major event that will change the direction of the market. Maybe there will be just spikes in the market only. Okay, so at this moment, market is still bullish, so it's better for us to be on the buy side only, because obviously at one point trend reversal will happen, but nobody knows from where the market will reverse. Only God knows. So it's better to be on buy only. So if market comes for retracement, okay, so when market is bullish, there are only two options, isn't it? Buying at retracement or buying at breakout. If market comes for retracement, we can look for buy around 291210 or 290403 area. Obviously, the support around 297576, 292890, these are also valid, but those are far away. Let's not talk about it. And if market doesn't come for retracement, market goes up, okay, then we can obviously buy above 2948 or 2950 area. But buying a breakout is risky. Yesterday also we saw that it was kind of a false breakout. So what you can do is, if you don't want to take risk, wait for 3 to 4 hours, let the same level become the new support, then you can buy. Because if gold breaks this particular high or 2950, this particular zone, gold will be heading towards 2980, 2990 area, or around the 3000 level. And 3000 is the mark for this month. At least till 26th of Feb, we can expect gold will remain below 3000 level. So that rest time will speak. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.